Hello, my dear students. I hope you all have been doing well. Today we are discussing about experiment number 5, and in this experiment we are going to discuss about how we can analyze the organic constituents that are present in urine sample. And this experiment is the part of our course, that is pharmaceutical chemistry 2B biochemistry lab, and the course code is 314, and this is my experiment number 5. So let's start from our new experiment, and this is I took from your manual. So what you are having, what is the objective of our experiment? Our objective is every time that thing that we wish to perform or we wish to do. Okay, so in this experiment what we wish to do, we are wishing to find out, to determine the organic constituents that are present in the urine sample, or we have to find out either anything means any organic constituents present in the urine, if it is present in the abnormal level or not. So what we require to perform this experiment, we require some chemicals and reagents and the urine sample and the glasswares. And what test we will be perform in this experiment? We will be performing the Jeffy test for to determine the keratin level. For the we perform hypochloric acid test, we perform uric acid test, we perform test to find out the urea, we perform Benedict test, Felling test, coagulation test, Haller test, Hayes test, and Rothra's test. Okay, so for this purpose we will be performing 10 tests, and then we will be writing our conclusion of result here, and then what we have seen as the observation and results in the discussion section. So what we should have to do for how we would be performing the keratin test. We wish to take 5 ml of urine sample and then 13 ml of 5% NaOH, and we will be adding 1 to 2 ml of saturated picric acid solution, and then we will be writing observation and result in this section. And then for the hypochloric acid, we will be having to find out the hypochloric acid in the in urine. We will be having 5 ml of urine sample, we will be adding few drops of KOH and then 2 ml of ferric chloride. And actually these tests we already have performed in our previous experiment, and these are the same experiment, the same test that we are using here. Then we will be writing our observation and result, and to find out the urea in the urine, we will be performing urea test. For this we will be having 5 ml of urine sample, 1 ml of NaOH, and 1 ml of iodine water. Then we mix all these in solution together, and then we will boil it. And what will be the observation we will be writing here, and what will be the result we get, we will be writing here. And to perform the Benedict test, we will be having 1 ml of Benedict reagent, 1 ml of urine sample, we will be mix these reagent together, then we will be heating it, and then consequently we will be writing the result and observation in the respective section. And then for the Felling test, we will be having 1 ml of Felling solution A and B, and we will be adding 2 ml of urine sample. We will be heating this solution in water bath, and then what we see, we will write here observation and result. Then for the coagulation test, we will be having 5 ml of urine sample, 4 to 5 drops of glacial acetic acid should be added in this urine sample. Then we will be boiling this, and then we will be write down the result and discussion. For the Heller test, we will be adding um, 2 ml of concentrated HNO3, and we will be adding 2 ml of urine sample. And then what we will observe and see, we will be writing the respective columns. And then for the Hayas test, we will be using 1 ml of urine sample. We will be adding a small amount of uh, phos sulfur powder, and then we will allow the content to settle out after the shaking. And then we will be writing what we see here, what we see and observe, we will be writing here. Then we will be perform Rothra test. For this test, we will be having 3 ml of a urine sample. We will be adding few drops of 3% sodium nitroprusside and a pinch of ammonium sulfate crystal, and then 1 to 3 ml concentrated ammonia liquid, and shake. We will be shaking well, and then writing our result correspondingly. And then finally we will be discussing all the results that we will observe here in this section, and then accordingly we will be writing our discussion. So this was whole about the experiment number 5. Thank you very much, and be ready for experiment number 6 in my next video.